So once you have the hole done, all you got to do is screw this in, right? Pretty much, and just make sure you move to center and tie it up. And this is to tie it down, so I'm going to do this with two hands right now. I'm going to put you guys down, but just make sure it hits the top, and it's going to be, and center it, and that should be it. This part, plug it in. Just make sure you plug it in. All right, so we're going to plug it in and test it out. So on top of that, wireless charging is available for iPhone or Droid. Best thing I like about it, it's flush. All right, I'm just going to clean up some of it right now because of the marks I had. But this is my favorite part from the whole system, right? It has a surge protector built in. It has 4 connections for any kind of power that you have, 3-prong connections. And then also, like I said, 2 USBs, type A and 1 type C. So you could charge any device, have it work for you. And it's very discreet on the top, all right? Which I like about that. Click it, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.